In today's video, we're going to build a full set of automation workflows inside Omnisend. The kind that takes someone from discovering your brand to actually becoming a customer without you having to micromanage every single step. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been thinking about switching your email and SMS platform, but the idea gives you moving day anxiety, forms everywhere, templates scattered, rebuilding automations, worrying about data, this video is going to feel like someone just showed up with a moving crew and a checklist. We're going to walk through everything you need to know, from collecting leads to nudging them back when they browse or abandon, and then confidently closing the sale with simple flows you can launch today. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics. What is Omnisend? Omnisend is an email and SMS marketing platform built for e-commerce. It connects to your store, pulls in your products, tracks how people shop, and lets you build automations that feel personal without taking your whole day. You can send newsletters, set up welcome series, recover carts, request reviews, and combine email with SMS in one flow. The part most store owners love is the pre-built templates. You don't have to start from a blank canvas. You start with proven flows that already include smart timing and rules. Then you just tweak the parts that match your brand. Omnisend is used by over 100,000 brands and is known for 24/7 real human support. And that really matters when you're switching tools or when a big sale is hours away and you need help setting a rule. It also matters when you want to import your past work, which brings us to the moving to a new home theme for this campaign. Now, moving to a new home and how migration works without the chaos. So switching email platforms can feel like moving. You've got the forms, the automations, the templates, and the data you don't want to lose, and it's easy to worry something won't transfer correctly. Omnisend knows that feeling, so they take a lot off your plate. If you're on a plan of $250 a month or more, their team will literally move everything over for you. Your automations, forms, templates, all of it. All you have to do is reach out to support and they handle it. No stress, no digging through old settings, no wondering if you've copied the right version. If you're on a smaller plan, you still get a guided path. There's a self-service migration option plus a one-click sync for your contacts, tags, and up to 12 months of email and SMS history. It's basically a clean checklist so you know everything comes over properly. Once you're in, Omnisend also warms up your domain for you so you can start sending safely and build inbox trust right away. Now, before we get into how to build these, let's dive into a few of the key features. So Omnisend gives you a drag and drop email builder, native SMS in the same flow, pre-built automations for every stage, product and discount blocks that pulls from your store, and audience rules that let you target by behavior. You can branch flows by whether someone clicked, viewed, or purchased. You can split based on email versus SMS. You can test subject lines and use smart send time so you're not blasting at random hours. The reporting shows revenue by message and by flow, so you can see what actually pays for itself. So what we're going to talk about today is signing up, of course, the welcome emails, the abandoned cart recovery, post-purchase, win back with SMS layered in where it helps. Okay, now let's get into the step-by-step walkthrough. If you don't already have Omnisend, we do have a link down in the description below. So we'll talk more about the discount that's going on, but if you want to get started, we do have a link down in the description below. Once you click sign up, you'll just have to create a login. So you'll want to connect your store first. You can just sign in with Shopify, or they walk you through step by step how to connect it. Now, step number 2 is to create your main sign up form and match it to one clear offer. So we're going to go ahead and come into the form section right here. We'll go create form. So they have a bunch of different templates in here that you'll definitely want to go ahead and check out. So you can filter over here by goal, theme, type, form settings, etc. So maybe we just want a landing page. So maybe we'll use a template like this. You want to pick one hook like a welcome discount, a quiz result, or early access. And then you'll want to set the form to show new visitors after a short delay and to hide once they submit. Keep the fields light, email for everyone, and then optional phone for people who want SMS perks. You want to style the form with your brand colors and write copy that actually sounds like you, not a robot. So if you want to delete any of these and keep it even more simple, you can delete maybe country if you would want, and maybe delete city. So you probably don't need date either. You want to keep it short and simple. If you want to add a field, you can go ahead and add in phone number, of course, and you can see how it says register now. All you have to do is save and enable and you're good to go. Okay, now what we're going to do next is build a two-way message welcome for email, and then we can layer in some optional SMS. So what we'll go ahead and do is go to automations. We'll create a workflow. Now we'll want to do a say welcome. So again, they have a bunch of templates already. So we'll want to customize the one that has SMS. So we can add that in here. You can customize all of this. You want to add the first email to send right away with a brief line that says what you promised and why your brand is worth following. Place the incentive or key value in the top section so no one misses it. You want to add the second email for people who did not buy in the first day, and keep it helpful, like a short how to choose guide or a simple product spotlight with 2 or 3 bestsellers. If you collected phone numbers, you can add a gentle SMS that fires only if the subscriber has not opened or purchased. Keep the text short and useful and avoid repeating the entire email and SMS. Okay, so that's how you can come in here and edit this. If you want to add a second, you would just come in here and add a delay. Maybe you want to wait 3 days, update, and then we'll pull in another email. And then you can go ahead and customize it. Save and close or publish. Step number 4 is to turn on browse abandonment to reach window shoppers. So you want to create a browse abandon flow that triggers when someone views a product but leaves. Set a short delay so it doesn't feel instant. In the email, you can use the product blocked so the exact item appears with price and image. Write one short sentence that helps them decide, like a sizing tip, a material note, or a review quote. If they come back and buy, the flow should stop by itself. If they don't, you can send a second reminder a day later with a different angle, such as lifestyle photo or a note about shipping speed. So to create workflow, we can go ahead and do cart abandonment. So abandon cart, abandon checkout. So whatever you would like to do, we can click abandon cart. Then it automatically sets it up for you. So you can see items in your cart are selling out fast. Your cart misses you. Don't miss 15% off. So once you are ready to get this set up, you want to customize it completely. Then you'll click start workflow. So you want to build a post-purchase flow that sends a warm thank you email a few hours after their order. Use their first name, confirm that they will get shipping updates, and share one short tip on using or caring for what they bought. Then a few days after a delivery, send a second email that asks for a review with one tap. If your catalog supports it, add a branch that recommends a related product based on the first order. Don't flood them. One clean cross-sell is plenty. Again, you can create a workflow right here. We can filter for post-purchase, and then you can customize if you want a product review or a replenishment reminder, a cross-sell, right? They've got so many different ones right here. So you can go ahead and customize it from there, or you can create from scratch. But again, what makes Omnisend so powerful is they have all of these different templates already built, which makes it super, super simple and easy for you. Add a win back for people who go quiet. So you actually can create a win back flow that targets customers who have not purchased in 60 to 90 days. So you can send a short note that says you missed them and show a new arrival or a curated pick. If you like incentives, keep it simple and time box so it feels real. You can add a second touch on SMS for people who engaged before they went quiet. Keep it friendly and easy to act on. Track revenue by flow and fix only what needs fixing. Open reports and look at revenue per message, not just opens and clicks. If a step underperforms, change one thing at a time. The subject, the hero image, or the timing. Give each change a few days to settle before you judge it. The goal is steady gains, not big rewrites every week. Now, if you're migrating, let support carry the heavy boxes. If you pay at least $250 per month, contact the support team and let them carry over your automations, templates, and forms. If you're under that level, use the guided flow, run the one-click contact sync, and import up to 12 months of history. Think of your existing journeys as furniture that fits better in the new place. Omnisend wraps it, labels it, and puts it in the right room. Then they host the housewarming by warming your domain so your messages start strong. Now, let's dive into some of the pros and cons so you can decide if this is a good fit for you. So the biggest strength here is speed with control. You're not building from scratch, but you're not locked into a rigid system. The templates give you a smart head start, the email and SMS live in the same flow, and the reporting shows real sales impact. The migration support lowers the main point that keeps brands stuck. You also have real humans on support around the clock, which is rare and very useful in busy seasons. The main trade-off is that you still need to bring your voice and your product knowledge. The best flows work because the copy sounds like you and the product blocks answer what your buyer is thinking. Omnisend gets you 90% of the way there, but the last bit, your brand tone, your small details, is what makes this system feel alive. Now let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. So if you want to get 30% off for the first 3 months, use code BFCM2025 at checkout, or you can just go ahead and use our exclusive link down in the description below. So the prices do vary based on how many contacts you have. So just wanted to make sure you're aware of that. So they've got the standard pro, and then they do have custom, which you do need to talk to them about. If you save that 30% and pay the 3 months upfront, that brings it to just $11.20 per month, which is regularly $16 per month. So within the standard plan, you get 500 contacts, which of course you can increase that, but you get 6,000 emails a month, unlimited web push notifications, and then account expert and 24/7 priority support. Again, the more contacts you have, the increase of price. Then we've got the pro plan, and this is with the 30% off, $41.30 per month, which regularly would be almost $60 per month. So you get 2,500 contacts, global SMS messaging, unlimited emails, unlimited web push notifications, account expert, and advanced reporting. You also get a monthly bonus of $41.30 in global SMS credits. But again, if you go over that 2,500, the price will increase. Again, find a plan that best fits your needs, but just know that you can save 30% off on the first 3 months by using code BFCM2025 at checkout. Now, should you choose Omnisend for your workflows? If you want a clean path from sign up to purchase without juggling 5 tools, then yes. The welcome, browse, cart, post-purchase, and win-back stack we talked about today are enough to lift your revenue fast, and you can launch it in one afternoon. If you're on another system and dreading the move, this is your sign to switch. Let the support do the heavy lift if you qualify, or use the guided path and the one-click sync if you're smaller. Either way, you'll end up in a better neighborhood with better ROI and support that answers you when you need it. I know switching platforms can feel like moving day. Like we talked about, the boxes everywhere, and you're worried about what might get lost, and you're tired before you even start. But you don't have to do it alone. With Omnisend, the move is guided, the fragile parts are wrapped, and the welcome party is already planned. You get the same brand, the same customers, but just better tools, all in one clean dashboard. If you want to go ahead and get this set up now and lock in the promo, make sure you use, again, code BFCM2025 and use our link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.